Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send pictures on Offerup messages. So to send pictures on Offerup messages, what you want to do is first figure out what picture are you trying to send of, okay? What picture are you trying to send to a potential buyer? So the best way I've found in order to do this is that, let's say that Brian wants more pictures of this vinyl record player. What I normally do is I actually click on the item that you're going to send pictures of, then click on manage this item, and then click on edit post. And what I do is I actually add photos by clicking on the right hand side where it says add photo. I add more images, okay? That's how I usually send people more images if they need it. So you can't technically send an image via Offerup message. You can't send an image over here unless you upload it to a third-party platform like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can't send a message. So what I normally and I recommend you do is clicking on your Offerup listing, clicking on manage this item, then clicking on edit post, and then adding more images here, just because you're allowed 12 images. And so once you upload your new images, you can just let Brian know, hey Brian, I uploaded more images to the listing. And so Brian will actually be able to click on your listing and then see the images this way. So that's how to send pictures on Offerup messages. You can't technically send pictures on Offerup message, but hopefully that helps you out as far as just uploading new pictures to your listing should help suffice.